weren't able to what?
Use my feet because it was just too, I guess, uneven. I don't
Yeah.
know, it just getting caught, so
Yeah.
I'm down on my hands and knees.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Here's the nicely clean, de-rusted salon area. We're up here to clean it, acetate most of it, and then we're going to spray it again with SR17. And then do the, and Jeannie's been down here in the, what's going to become the future utility area. She's been cleaning, acetating it, and then we'll SR17 it again. Then tomorrow we're going to, in the morning, spray it with Chloride, and then maybe in the afternoon or early morning, we'll finally get this flooring painted, and then it'll just be ready to start work on the walls and ceiling, and then that will pretty much get all the upper area painted and rust proofed again, or rust protected at least.